The new VTX is not just a machine, it's a statement. It's big, bold, powerful, and ready to take on any road, any day, anywhere. Welcome back to my channel, Auto Express Review. You never miss our latest videos on the most exciting bikes and cars in the world. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 VTX 1800, one thing is clear. This bike was built to dominate. The stretched and low-slung profile is classic VTX, but now with sharper edges, more aggressive lines, and a more refined finish. Honda has perfectly blended the old-school cruiser feel with modern design elements. A sculpted fuel tank, a new LED headlamp, integrated rear lights, and a slim tail section give it a futuristic yet nostalgic vibe. The wide handlebars, large front forks, and deep-cut fenders enhance its road presence, making sure it turns heads wherever it goes. It's available in a range of bold colors: matte black, metallic crimson, and a unique deep blue, with chrome accents in just the right places. In short, the VTX looks every bit as powerful as it rides. Now, let's get to the real beast beneath the body, the engine. The 2025 VTX is powered by an all-new 1,800cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, designed to deliver raw torque and smooth power across the entire rev range. The moment you twist the throttle, you feel the punch. It launches forward with the kind of authority only a big V-twin can offer. This engine is not just about brute force. Honda has refined the internals for better heat management, smoother operation, and improved fuel efficiency. It's also cleaner, meeting all the latest emission standards without sacrificing performance. And let's not forget the sound, that deep, thunderous exhaust note that rumbles through your bones. The VTX roars like a lion, but cruises like a king. The 2025 VTX 1800 may look like a classic cruiser, but it's smart where it counts. Honda has packed it with cutting-edge technology to enhance both safety and ride quality. Up front, a full-color TFT digital display gives you everything you need: speed, RPM, gear position, trip info, fuel efficiency, and more. It also supports Bluetooth connectivity, so you can sync your phone, listen to music, or even take calls through your helmet's Bluetooth system. You also get 3 ride modes: cruise mode for relaxed highway journeys, sport mode for aggressive throttle and sharper response, and rain mode with extra traction control for slippery surfaces. Additional tech includes keyless ignition, cruise control, traction control, and optional heated grips for colder weather. This isn't just a muscle bike. It's a modern-day cruiser packed with brains and brawn. When it comes to long-distance riding, the VTX 1800 is a great choice for two-up touring. The foot pegs are positioned for a laid-back ride posture, and the wide handlebars make low-speed maneuvering surprisingly easy for such a large bike. Suspension-wise, Honda has done wonders. The new rear monoshock setup adapts to different riding conditions and loads automatically. Up front, the beefy telescopic forks eat up bumps with ease. Whether you're riding solo or carrying full saddlebags and a passenger, the VTX remains balanced and stable. Braking is handled by dual front discs with ABS and a single rear disc, powerful, predictable, and confidence-inspiring. This is not your average bike, and it's not meant for the average rider. The 2025 Honda VTX 1800 is designed for riders who crave torque, road presence, and a ride that feels as legendary as it looks. Whether you're a veteran cruiser enthusiast or someone looking to upgrade to a serious long-distance machine, this bike delivers everything, and then some. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about owning the road in between. Honda has announced a limited-run VTX 1800 Samurai Edition. This exclusive model pays homage to Japanese craftsmanship and tradition, featuring a special dual-tone black and red paint job, carbon fiber detailing, a samurai emblem stitched into the seat, and a numbered plaque on the tank. Only 800 units of the Samurai Edition will be produced worldwide. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a collector's dream. Expected to release later this year, the Samurai Edition is already generating buzz across the cruiser world. So, if you want something truly unique, you better act fast. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Honda VTX 1800. What do you think? Has Honda created the ultimate modern cruiser? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Express Review for more high-octane reviews, latest launches, and behind-the-scenes insights from the world of motorcycles and cars. Until next time, ride safe, ride strong, and always ride with style.